Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making carrot delight, a soft jelly-like dessert that's super easy to prepare with just few ingredients and steps. It's delicious, healthy and absolutely delightful. So let's get started. So first I'm taking 500 grams of carrots and cutting them into small pieces. Transfer the carrot pieces to a steamer and steam them until they are soft. You can also steam them in a pressure cooker with 2 whistles. Just close it and let it steam. Once the carrots are soft, take them out and blend it into a smooth paste. Strain the mixture to remove any lumps. This step is optional, but it helps to get a smoother texture. Now add half a cup of sugar, a quarter cup of corn flour and 1 cup of water. Mix it all together. Mix them until you get a smooth paste like this. Transfer the mixture into a pan and cook it on medium heat. As it begins to thicken, add 2 tablespoons of ghee and keep stirring. Keep stirring continuously until the mixture thickens and starts holding its shape. Once it holds the shape, turn off the flame and pour it into a container lined with butter paper and greased butter. Press gently to shape it. Let it set for 1 hour. After an hour, demold the carrot delight. And cut it into neat pieces. You can enjoy it as is or take it to the next level by coating it with desiccated coconut. And that's it. Our soft, jelly-like carrot delight is ready. This is so yummy, healthy and super easy to make. A must try at home. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more healthy and easy recipes. See you in the next video. Bye.